Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful and easy pattern. You can use this pattern in your any project like your sweater, cardigan, baby sweater and scarf, baby's blanket. You can knit this in your any project. See, this is the way it looks like. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. You will knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch for every wrong side rows. So this is only 12 rows repeat pattern. See, this is the pattern. This is only 12 rows repeat pattern and you need to cast on multiples of 6 plus 2 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 6 plus 2 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 16 stitches on my needle, which is 6 plus 6 12 plus 2 extra stitch 14 and 2 edge stitch 16. So row 1 right side. Row 1 right side, your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 2 and in front, purl 2 and knit 4. 1 2 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2 and knit 4, and you will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have. We have one more repeat. Repeat that again. Purl 2, 1 2 and knit 4. 1 2 3 and 4. So we have done 2 repeats, 1 and 2, and after you finish all repeats, for a last 3 stitch, 2 extra stitch, 2 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Your last 3 stitch, purl 2 and edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side and every wrong side rows, knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. So slip your edge stitch purl wise on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, 1 2 and then purl 2, sorry, purl 4. 1 2 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2 and purl 4. Repeat that again. Knit 2, 1 2 and then purl 4. 1 2 3 and 4. And your last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch and in front and slip on the wrong side. Row 3. Now for row 3, 4, 5 and 6, for these 4 rows we're gonna knit edge row 1 and row 2. So row 3, knit edge row 1, your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 2, 1 2 and then knit 4. 1 2 3 4. That's the repeat. Purl 2 and knit 4. Repeat that again. Purl 2, 1 2 and knit 4. 1 2 3 and 4. Last 3 stitch, purl 2, 1 2 edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 4. Row 4 wrong side, knit edge row 2 or knit on edge stitch and purl on purl stitch. So your edge stitch slip and start the repeat. Knit 2 and purl 4. 1 2 3 and 4. That's the repeat. Knit 2 and purl 4. Again, knit 2 and purl 4. 1 2 2 3 and 4. Last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, yarn in front and slip. Now row 5, for row 5 knit edge row 1 more time, your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here, purl 2, knit 4, 1 2 3 4. That's the repeat, purl 2 and knit 4. Again purl 2, 1 2 and then knit 4, 1 2 3 4. Last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 6, knit on each stitch, purl and purl stitch, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and start the repeat. From here knit 2, purl 4, 1 2 3 4. That's the repeat, knit 2, purl 4. Again knit 2, purl 4, 1 2 3 and 4. And your last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, yarn in front, slip on the wrong side. Now row 7, on row 7 your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here, knit 3, 1 2 and then this one, knit 3, purl 2, purl this 2, 1 2 and knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here, knit 3, 1 2 3, purl 2 and knit 1. Repeat that again, knit 3, 1 2 3, purl 2, 1 2 and then knit 1. So you have done our all repeats and your last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, knit. Row 8 wrong side, row 8 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here, purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, knit 2 and purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here, purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 2, purl 1. Repeat that again, purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, knit 2 and purl 1. And your last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. Now row 9, we have done here row 7 and row 8. For row 9, 10, 11 and 12. For row 9, 10, 11 and 12, we're gonna knit edge row 7 and row 8. So your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Your 9 row, knit edge row 7, your start the repeat from here, knit 3, 1 2 3, purl 2 and knit 1. That's the repeat, knit 3, purl 2 and knit 1. Again knit 3 sorry, 1 2 3, purl 2 and knit 1. Last 3 stitch need 2, edge stitch need 1. Row 10 knit edge row 8, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, knit 2 and purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 3, knit 2, purl 1. Again, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2 and purl 1. And last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. Row 11. For row 11, knit edge row 7, your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, purl 2, 1, 2 and knit 1. That's the repeat. Knit 3, purl 2, knit 1. Again, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 2 and knit 1. And the last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 12, last row, knit edge row 8, so slip your edge stitch and start the repeat. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, knit 2 and purl 1. That's the repeat. Purl 3, knit 2, purl 1. Again, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2 and purl 1. And last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat this 12 rows, row 1 to row 12, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.